Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious banana bread from scratch. First, gather all your ingredients, ensuring you have 3 very ripe bananas, all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, baking soda, salt, eggs, and melted butter. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Begin by mashing the 3 ripe bananas in a large mixing bowl until mostly smooth, leaving a few small lumps for texture. This foundational step is crucial for a moist and flavorful loaf. Next, in a separate bowl, whisk together 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. This ensures even distribution of leavening agents. Now, add 1/3 cup of melted unsalted butter, 2 large eggs, and 3/4 cup of granulated sugar to your mashed bananas. Mix these wet ingredients well. Finally, gradually add the dry mixture to the wet ingredients, stirring until just combined. Overmixing can lead to tough bread. Now, prepare your loaf pan. Grease a standard 9x5-inch loaf pan with butter or cooking spray, then lightly flour it to prevent sticking. Pour your banana bread batter evenly into the prepared pan. Place it in your preheated oven and bake for approximately 55 to 65 minutes. The bread is done when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Allow it to cool in the pan for 10 minutes before carefully transferring it to a wire rack to cool completely. Once your banana bread has cooled completely, it's ready to be sliced and enjoyed. Cooling fully allows the flavors to meld and the texture to set perfectly. This homemade treat is wonderful for breakfast, a snack, or even dessert. You can store any leftovers in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days, or freeze slices for longer enjoyment. Don't forget to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.